In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a simple logo in Canva. We'll walk through creating a clean, professional-looking logo using Canva's built-in templates. And I'll share tips to help your design look balanced and brand-ready. Start on the Canva homepage and type logo into the search bar. You'll see a wide range of styles, from modern and minimalist to playful and vintage. Click a template that feels close to your brand's personality. Remember, templates are just starting points. You'll customize everything, so focus on overall layout and vibe rather than the exact colors or words you see right now. When you select a template, Canva opens the editor. Next, edit the text. Click any existing text box and type your brand or logo name. Keep it concise and legible. In the top toolbar, adjust the font, size, and color. Choose a typeface that aligns with your brand's tone. Sleek sans serifs feel modern, while serifs suggest tradition. Limit yourself to one or two complementary fonts to avoid clutter. Make sure your text remains clear at smaller sizes, since logos often appear tiny on social profiles or in footers. Now, add icons or graphics to support your name. On the left sidebar, click Elements and search for relevant symbols or shapes. Simple, geometric icons usually scale better than detailed illustrations. Drag and drop your chosen graphic onto the canvas, then position it near your text. Try pairing an icon to the left of your brand name or above it to create a compact mark. If the icon feels too busy, reduce its complexity or size. Customize your layout and colors so everything feels cohesive. Resize and rotate elements with the corner handles. And use Canva's snap guides to keep alignment neat. Aim for visual balance, similar spacing between elements, and a clear focal point. Update colors to match your brand palette. Strong contrast improves readability, especially between text and background. Test a single color version to ensure your logo remains recognizable in black and white or on dark and light backgrounds. When you're happy, it's time to save and download. Go to the upper right corner, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for crisp results. If you plan to place the logo on different backgrounds, enable transparent background so you're not stuck with a white box behind your design. Pick the size you need and export. That's it. Search a template, edit your text, add a simple icon, refine the layout and colors, and download your polished logo. With a few tweaks, you'll have a professional look ready to share.